YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to import project in ProjectLibre. So guys, if you want to import any project that is already created and you want to import it in your system, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, here you see that I am downloaded one sample file from the GitHub. Okay, and when I go to download, so guys, here you see the file extension of your project is .pod. Okay, so before you download, and if someone is share your file with you, so make sure it is not in XML, make sure it is in the pod. Okay, with in pod you can easily do it all the things without any problem. Now here you see that I am on my application project libra, and simply go to the option of, here you see, new, sorry, not the new, you simply go to the option of open. After that, click the option of open. In the open section, guys, here you go to the option, and guys, here you see this is my project. So I am just paste it on my desktop. So now you go and select your project, sample activities, and the resource of .pod. So make sure your file type. After that, simple click one. When you open it, guys, here you can check that your all the data is shows here. Okay, with the name, then the duration, the starting time, the finishing time, everything, and this is your charts. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.